Hi, welcome to the how-to video for posting on our class wiki. Words, Words, Words is the name of our wiki, and you'll see it in the left-hand column with all the blue buttons. It's about halfway down the page. I'm going to click on that to open the wiki. And there's a link to it, so I'll click that. And here is the main wiki page. And you will see down towards the bottom, if you scroll down, I'm going to scroll down on the screen here, you'll see there's a link to that Wikis in Plain English video that I made available to you the first week of the class. And then on the right hand side are links to each of the weekly wiki pages. So I'm going to click on week 1. And that opens it up, and you'll see that I've already filled in some information about the word information. So the word or phrase, you'll see it's all in a table format. So we have information as the word that we're looking at. Definitions, and I've listed 3 different definitions. Knowledge communicated or received concerning a particular fact or circumstance. News, information concerning a crime. Knowledge gained through study, communication, research, instruction, etc. Factual data. And the example there is his wealth of general information is amazing. And then the last definition is the act or fact of informing. I also put a little note there in brackets that this definition comes from dictionary.com in case you want to look up some more information. I've also have a column called Use It in a Sentence, and I have written a sentence using information. So Gen 130 will introduce students to information and the Information Society. And then notes, and what I've written there for this week is just think about the ways we use the word information now. And at the end of the semester, ideally, we'll all have a different understanding. Your task, though, is not just to read the wiki. This is not a passive information source I'm providing. It is a group information source that we are creating. So your next step is to click on the gray button that says Edit Wiki Content, and you'll see when I hover my cursor on it, it kind of becomes a white button. So I'm going to click that. And now I can edit the wiki. And there's the next word is ethics. There's use it in a sentence and notes. And all you do to add information is click in one of these boxes. And I've clicked in ethics, use it in a sentence. So I'm just going to write a sentence using ethics. And I click the ethical use of information in a health care setting includes maintaining patient privacy as a key element, period. And I have added content to the wiki at this point. To save my work, I hit submit. And the wiki tracks who does what. So when I'm going back at the end of the semester to make sure that you've done the minimum of 16 posts in the wiki that I've required, I'll be able to see what you have added. Whether you post information for a particular term or not, the vocabulary that's going to be posted on the wiki is all vocabulary that you should be comfortable with. It may show up on quizzes, it may show up in crossword puzzle type activities. So even if you're not posting in a particular week, maybe you'll be really efficient and get all your posting done early. You should still be monitoring the wiki and seeing what's there, and feel free to add extra information once your minimum of 16 posts is done. And there will be a new wiki page every week with new words that relate to that week's study. This week's words all come from the syllabus. Let me know if you have trouble doing this, and I'm going to end this little tutorial now, and have fun posting.